Hey bees, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is gonna be a lot. It's gonna be a two-parter probably because I have a lot to do today. And I've never done a two-parter video, but it's because we're gonna have a busy weekend and a busy day. Hold on. Okay, so first things first is we're gonna be going to Palm Springs to go celebrate Chris's birthday early. So we're gonna go over there and we're gonna have lots of fun. So you guys are coming with me. I have to clean before I leave and prep the stuff for my dogs today. I really want to clean the floors, and I also have to pack what I'm gonna wear today, and then I have to get my stuff ready for work as well. So we are gonna do a one-nighter in Palm Springs. So I also want to show you guys what I got from Amazon to make sure my dogs are okay and that they stay in here. Let me go and grab that stuff. Let's go ahead and open up this. I got something from Barnes & Noble. Oh, great. And I pre-ordered this. July, I believe, or June. I got the It Starts With Us book, and I was so freaking excited because that means when we're driving to Palm Springs, because it's like about a 2-hour drive, we are gonna be reading this book together, and I'm so freaking excited because I couldn't have asked for anything better than this. Freaking amazing. Next thing that I got was from Etsy. And I low-key wanted to do a video on, what's it called? On rereading It Ends With Us. Before I started reading It Starts With Us. Okay, so I got these little oils. Oh my god, it smells amazing in that. Okay, so this is her brand. This is what it looks like. I'll leave her Etsy down below, but I'm so excited to be using this. The card is actually like really good. She has like her phone number, I'm guessing her business phone number, and these are luxury perfume oils, essential oils, burning oils, and beauty products. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Versace Bright Crystal not oil, but perfume oil. I'm gonna smell it. Ooh, this smells good. Okay. I'm gonna be rubbing these on like non-scented perfume. And I'm so excited. It smells really, really good. I don't know how the original smells like, but they smell good. The bigger bottles are a little pricey, I will say, but they do have the Klarna plan. So if you guys want to purchase maybe like one of these bottles, then you guys can do like the payments or whatever. This is The Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. I'm so excited for these two. Oh my god, I can't believe I have them. I'm gonna be taking them with me to Coachella or to Palm Springs. Ooh, okay. This is more like a nighttime fragrance. So I definitely got the good perfumes because this is like more nighttime party going out fragrance. This is more like florally, fresh, but still like really good smelling perfumes. Not perfumes, but essential oils. So I'm really excited about those. Again, this is her card if you guys are interested in going to go purchase with her. I'm a big fan. They smell absolutely amazing. Hold on guys, my boyfriend is texting me and he's probably freaking out. Okay, so next thing. Okay, last is for my dogs. I just mopped the floor, as you guys can tell. Mia's not happy about this mesh material. I'm currently washing all my clothes, and I packed all my stuff in here already. That is my work bag. But to be honest, I'm not even gonna take anything special. These are my work clothes right here. Not these pants. I'm not gonna wear these pants. These pants are clean though, so I'm gonna put them in that pile. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually looking for one of my bags that I have. That first aid kit does not belong to me. It belongs to my school, so I'm gonna leave it at my school. It's just I'm trying to find one of the bags that I have. I have no idea where it's at, to be honest. I don't see it in any of my cubbies. So I'm gonna have to find it. And I'm gonna put all my stuff in there, and I'm only gonna take my iPad to work. I normally take my laptop, but I don't want to take it all the way to Palm Springs with me because I'm not gonna use it, and I'd rather lose my iPad than my laptop in case of anything. But we'll probably leave everything at the hotel anyways. So it is going. I'm sweating and I feel gross, but like I said, I am not gonna take a shower until 11 because I do have to shave my legs because we are gonna go inside the pool. It's not cold at all in Palm Springs. A matter of fact, it's probably like 100 degrees. So okay, so it is now 11:58. We have to leave here soon because let me turn off my tablet. How rude of I. It is 11:58. We're gonna leave in a moment. I do have to pack my camera, so you guys are gonna be in my backpack. And we're leaving. I can't believe today came so freaking quickly. I feel like just time is flying by. Also, these are the shoes that I'm gonna wear to Coachella, to Chris's party, all that good stuff. I put on the 1 in a Million perfume. I mixed it with Fleur Monet, I think that's how you say it, and the body oil. And I smell so freaking good right now. I think I'm gonna take all 3 perfumes so I could smell again. Like I can like respray. Might seem like a lot, you guys, but it I think I did something. Anyways, let me go and put my shoes on, and I'll see you guys after work. I don't think I'm gonna be able to have time to check back in. I have to go drop off my nephew and then drive to work. Hopefully I make it there on time. I know I will, but I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the room. It honestly is not that bad. So here is the dorm. You have like a little hallway. Obviously we already took a shower, and this is what we do all the time we go to hotels. We just bundle it up to make it easier for the people who come and clean. Here is the mirror, and then in here, oh, and there's like a closet over here too. And here is the bathroom. There's Chris. And this is the room. And the outdoors is like really, really pretty. We have a nice view.
The pool view. That pool is really nice.
It looks so nice. We're gonna go to the pool right now. But yeah.
Fucking Myra, she got this.
Okay guys, it is a couple days, not a couple days later, but a day later. I didn't vlog all that much. I thought this was gonna be like a 2-parter, but to be honest, I was just really enjoying my time with the family and celebrating Chris's birthday early. It was lots of fun. We ended up going to the casino. Chris walked out with some cash or whatever. And now we're back home, back to reality. So this is what life is now. I'm gonna take today to kind of pick up and regroup, kind of cleaned up like my bed, because I did put some stuff to wash before I left and didn't have time to put it away. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. Another thing that I really want to do is I'm starting to get really into like perfumes, lotions, creams, and I have them in my closet. Let me show you guys how. My closet's gonna be redone. I'm actually gonna organize all this and put all my purses and stuff that I don't currently use up there because I feel like this just looks like a mess and I don't actually want anything on this ledge right here. But I have a lot of my perfumes and my lotions just like tucked away, hiding in the back of my closet. And look, Christmas is coming up and I'm able to use a lot of these perfumes that I didn't get around to last year. Now, I know that seems like kind of weird that I want to like use perfumes that are like quite like a year old. But I want to get them done. I want to get them used. And I actually am going to be using that cart over there to fill up and, you know, organize all this stuff. I do have more perfumes. Like I have one down there. I just have them laying around everywhere. And then I do have this little crate right here where I bought these oils that you guys saw. And honestly, the the Bright Crystal Versace one lasted on me all night, and I wore a sweater, and I swear to God, my sweater, when I put it on this today, it smelled just like it. It smelled amazing. So I'm really excited to be using more of those and smelling fresh and good all the time. And then I also have more creams and stuff that I really want to put on there. Perfumes. They're kind of just like all tucked away.
Like you said, a human being, I want to make you take that chance. Things have been different from me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Okay guys, I'm generally so tired. I have like makeup from I don't even know when. But I'm chilling. I'm watching and catching up on YouTube videos. I realized I haven't posted in 5 days. Oops. I did want to give you guys a little haul of the stuff that I got from Marshall's. So let me show you guys. Okay, so this is a cream cleanser by Community 66, and I love this cream. I didn't even check if it was used. Oh my god, it looks used. Oh no. Okay, it's because from the sides it looked like used. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. But it's, thankfully, it wasn't. This was on sale for $3. This is literally one of my favorite cleansers that I found at Marshall's. I'll show you guys the other ones that the other one that I found that I just really do not like. I got these hip and joint dog treats. They were on sale also for $3. And I got this brand. This is a Korean brand. And I heard that this is really, really good. My sister has tried like the other moisturizing creams and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. This is just pure collagen inside this tube. Obviously mixed with other ingredients and stuff. But I'm so excited to try it, and it's literally apply on face, and that's literally it. And this was $6.99, so I'm really excited to try it. My neighbors are having a party. Another thing that I got was these Cacao Therapy Keto Dark Chocolate Covered Almonds. 10 almonds is just 2 grams of sugar, which is amazing. As you guys know, I've been like trying to be really, really careful with my sugar intake. But yeah, you guys, I think that I'm gonna go and start reading my freaking Coho book tonight. But I really don't even want to start any books, to be honest. I am currently reading a book on my Kindle, and I actually don't even know what book it is. In here, they're really having a freaking blast outside. So this is my Kindle. I actually want to return it because I want to get it in white, just because like I love the color white, and I was gonna get it at first, but then I didn't. I'm currently reading the book Pretty Girls. I also have like a couple of books on here that I really want to read. Things We Never Got Over, I want to read, and I actually want to finish reading Atomic Habits. I feel like it really did help me start new habits and stuff like that. I do have Behind Closed Doors. I have The Night of the Party, which as you guys can tell, like, you know. And then I do have the Leah book that I just never even got to. But I really need to finish, I really need to finish my other books on here before like I start reading another book. And the reason why I can't even get to like finishing them is because I need to finish studying for my exam. I have 5 weeks until my exam date, and I'm like getting like the pressures and nervous of everything. But I know if I really, really work hard, I'll be able to finish early. Obviously I'm not going to start today, but tomorrow, like, I'm actually to take the full 5 hours before going into work to really focus and study, and hopefully I get to finish the English section literally, hopefully in maybe 2 days, because it's not that much information, but I really want to finish it early and on time. Also, I want to show you guys these flowers. These flowers have been alive for 1 week now, and they still look like nice. There is a few that are kind of dead, but I just refilled them. And yeah, these are 1 week old flowers, and I think it's because our kitchen gets like a lot of lighting, and I think the flowers obviously love it. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go and end the vlog here. I know it's like a bunch of like craziness, but that's it, you guys. I did end up cleaning my room, did not record it, but that's okay. I actually have to put away these blankets. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna make a plan on what the next few weeks are gonna look like. 5 weeks. I also have to remember that Chris's birthday is coming up, so he wants to do something for that, so I really want to finish like anything important before then. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, this is something a little bit different. You know, obviously I've been posting a lot of, you know, tease videos, and it's a little stressful sometimes. I even got a stress pimple. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye bees.